All right, I got some Sea Light 6000 Kelvin LED headlights. Are supposed to be 600% brighter than the stock halogen here on my Jeep. Super easy to install. I just removed my factory headlight, and then it just plugs in to my existing harness. So we'll see what it looks like compared to the other one here once I get it installed. All right, got it installed. Definitely, it looks kind of slightly blue in the video, but in person it's very white. The one on the left here is obviously the stock one. I just wanted more illumination at night when I'm driving. So I'm happy with them. Again, it's not really blue in person. It's just more crystal white. But really impressed with the quality. They were only 40 bucks for these things. Really cool heat sink on the back. Bright little LEDs there. I'll put a link below if you want to check them out. But yeah, 40 bucks for, I got H13 bulb size for my Jeep Wrangler, but they come in a variety of different bulb types depending on your vehicle. So I took my Jeep out for a quick spin, and I am impressed with the increased invisibility. They're not quite as bright as like HIDs, but they're a lot less expensive, and I'm really satisfied with them. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Again, I'll put a link below if you'd like to check them out on Amazon, and we'll see you in the next video.